there is. What is that, Tiger?
I think he's hitting something in here.
The treasure box? Open that.
Welcome to SuperBaby Colors.
I thought you told me there's a secret tunnel around here. I mean, secret door around here.
Oh yeah.
Where's it at? Over there? Get up here? Are you sure?
Right here.
Look kind of scary, Tiger. Huh? Okay, you go first, then you come back out. Okay? Come back down the slide, Tiger. Oh, what the? Tiger go. Oh, there you go. You came back already. Good job, Tiger. Come down the slide right there, and we go together. Come on. Are you sure this is a secret door here to Ryan's house? Okay. Okay, come on. Show Daddy where's it at. Huh? Oh, you gotta tap your arm? Why? Why?
Tap.
Ah, you shocked me.
Tap the other one.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. What you do? Where you go? Where you go, Ty? Are you sure they're here? It's right here. Oh, I can't do that, Tiger.
This one right here.
Oh, whoa! This is a tunnel. This is a secret tunnel to Ryan's.
Alright, let's see. I'm already in.
Okay, here we go.
Before
Here we go. Whoa! Tiger, I think we're here. Whoa! Huh? Tiger? Tiger, you sleeping? What happened? Tiger, let's go. Wake up. Tiger. Wake up, let's go. We're here. Look out the door. Let's see anybody here.
how did I get my shoes? I didn't even get my shoes.
Okay, come on. Come on. Go check the door. See anybody here. Shh, baby, stop. Shh. Oh, you okay?
No. Shh.
What happened?
He's still here.
Okay.
Gotta wait for him.
1 second. Okay.
There we go.
Oh my! Whoa! Wow! Look at this big. Wow! Look at this big living room.
Yes.
What? A chest? What is in it? What is in it?
No, it's this way.
Okay. It's locked, Tiger. They locked the chest. There's one more chest back there. Look. Wow! Look at that. That one. Is that one locked too? Oh, that one's locked too. Oh,
I think
Tiger.
they knew now
Yeah.
that we lost.
Let's check out the kitchen. Come on. Whoa! Look at the kitchen. Wow!
What is this?
Wow! Look at that. Let's ready to cook. We're gonna cook something, Tiger. Cook something for us.
Oh yeah. Clink, clink.
Wow! Cook something. Yes. Cook something. Yes.
Now I'm getting
A bowl. Whoa. Okay.
Doink. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
I'm cooking for Ryan too.
Thank you. Wow.
There you go. I cook it for Ryan.
Okay, leave it for Ryan. Let's go. Oh, open the refrigerator. What's in the refrigerator?
Let's see something really
Let's see
good.
what's in the refrigerator.
Wait, let's think.
Okay.
Take a baby.
Okay, what is it?
I'm thinking of some food.
Some food? Let's see some food. Whoa,
what is
pizza.
that?
There's pizza in the
Oh,
water.
yeah, there's food in here.
Wow, look at that.
Ooh.
Okay, let's go. Oh, wow, look at it. They got a, wow, coffee maker too, Tiger.
They only use one.
Wow, look at that. Oh, they got a cooker too. Look. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that backyard. Yeah, look at the backyard, Tiger. Huge, big backyard. Wow, look at that. Let's go check out the upstairs. Come on.
What?
Check out the upstairs. Let's go check upstairs. Come on.
Where is the upstairs?
Right
Oh,
there.
here.
Hey, let's go. Check upstairs. Let's check upstairs. Wow. Whoa, they got a nice room here. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, there is. What is that, Tiger?
I think he's hitting something in here.
The treasure box? Open that.
Oh.
Whoa, there is nothing. How about the bottom one, Tiger? Let's see, open the bottom one. Move the top. Move the top down first. There's something in the bottom, kids. There's something big in the bottom. Tiger got this. Okay, Tiger. Open up. It's locked on that side too, Tiger. Okay, that side, yeah.
Oh, it's locked.
Okay, you got it. No, you got it.
This one?
Yeah, pull it out. There you go. There you go.
Oh.
Okay, kid. There's nothing. Okay, let's put the treasure box on top of each other. Wow, baby step, this is a beautiful park. Wow. Huh? What happened, Tiger? What? What happened? Tiger, I can't see you. What happened? You're driving a boat? What are you doing? Oh, shift the gear. All right. Whoa, you shift the gear fast, Tiger. Wow, look at that. What, Tiger? What do you need? We call Daddy for?
Oh yeah, I found secret door to Ryan's house.
You found a secret door to Ryan's house?
You have to get up from there. I get from there.
Okay, you get up first. I'll follow you. Okay, are you sure this is a secret door to Ryan's house?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whee.
Okay, you got up? Okay. I'll get up here this way, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, where's it at? Huh?
Dad, I told you that here.
Oh, down there? No. I thought you were talking about up here.
Down here.
Where? Come up here. I can't see you. Tiger? There you are. Is it right here somewhere?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, where? Come inside. Okay. Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. Whoa! Oh, Tiger, I think we're here. Okay, check.
Oh, give them 1 second.
1 second, okay.
Okay, they're done.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Look at, they got a room here. Wow! Wow, look at that. This is a big room. Whoa! Let's see what else. They got, wow, look at that, kids. We got a closet space in here. Right there, it's Tiger. Right there, I see you. Come on, Tiger, let's go. Tiger, whoa, look at the living room. Wow. Look at that. Wow, Tiger. Tiger, look at this. Got big TV, look.
Wow!
Ryan got a big TV, look at that.
Wow, this is massive.
This is big house. Wow, look at this how Ryan sit and watch TV. Wow, that's how Ryan sit and watch TV. Wow, look at, ooh, we gotta watch, that's how he watches a movie.
Something down there.
Yeah, is that what it is? Wow, look at that, see? Wow, let's go, Tiger. Wow, look at his kitchen. Wow, look at this huge kitchen. Tiger, look at that. Look at that, it's huge, Tiger. Let's go, Tiger. Whoa.
2 seats.
Yeah.
One time to take a shower.
Tiger! I hear someone coming. Tiger, what are you doing? Tiger, come on, let's go. I hear someone coming. Let's go. Someone's coming. Come on, let's go. Go. Run. This way. No, this way, Tiger, this way. Wait, is it, no, this way? Wait.
It's this way.
Where? Wait, this way? They got a big house. This is, oh no, this is not it, Tiger. This is not it. Come on, let's go, Tiger. Tiger, hurry up, Tiger, this. Downstairs. Oh, there's something here too. Whoa, there's a washing machine. Let's go. Go. Tiger, go. Go past Daddy. Go, you go first. Find a way. We gotta go. Go. Here it is, okay. Tiger, come on, Tiger. It's coming. We gotta go. Let's go, Tiger. Go.
What's this one?
Yeah, let's go. Okay.
This is only room for me only.
Okay, here we go. Whoa. Tiger, I think we're back. Whoa. Tiger, wake up. We're here.
You wasted all my energy.
Oh, drain your energy, huh? That door, secret door, drain your energy, huh? Come on, Tiger. We're here, Tiger. Yay! We're here. We're here, Tiger. Yay! Jump up and down. Yay! We're here. We made it back. Tiger, show me that thing over there. What that thing do over there?
Oh, okay.
Okay, hang on. What is this, Tiger? What does this thing do, Tiger? Whoa! Yay! Whoa! Oh! Come on. What is that?
Hold on.
Okay, I'll hold on to it. Okay.
Alright, push me.
Okay, Tiger. What you say?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, SuperBaby Colors and Typebox HD. Make sure to subscribe and like, please. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tiger.
Whee!
Oh!